Electric cars are one of the things that every human wants at this time. And why not? These electric cars look cool, provide good power, and save nature. And the most important thing, save money. But what about India? In India, people want electric cars, but there is no company that can give them extremely good electric cars. But it's not the case anymore. Many companies are planning to launch their electric cars this year. In today's video, we are going to check out if electric cars will be suitable for the conditions in India, or is it just a trend for some time. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Tesla cars are amazing cars in the electric car market. Tesla's cars are so popular that if anyone wants an electric car, they might definitely consider Tesla as one of their choices. Not only popular, but at the same time very fast and powerful. Here's a clip of Tesla having a race with a plane and winning. Elon Musk had tweeted in 2020, replying to many tweets saying that they would love to come to India in the year 2020, but if not, for sure in the next year. Here we are, 2020 is over and it's 2021. Is Tesla coming to India? Yes. Tesla is launching their Model 3 in India in November, which is almost the end of 2021. But the question over here is, will it sustain the Indian market? People in India generally stay in societies or buildings, and so they do not have enough place to charge their cars. So another question is, how will people charge their cars? In foreign countries, Tesla has made many charging stations in certain distances which help people to charge their cars. If the same thing happens in India, then yes, but if not, then there are very less chances of Tesla to actually sustain in the Indian car market. And this doesn't not only apply to Tesla, but many car companies trying to make electric cars. But now let's discuss the price of the Tesla Model 3 in India. Tesla Model 3 is the cheapest cars in their lineup, but still pretty expensive for an average local consumer in India. The expected price of the Tesla is 60 to 75 lakh rupees. This is because Tesla won't be manufactured in India. These cars will be directly manufactured in China and then brought over here. Let's see why. Elon Musk decided to build their cars in China because first, they already had ready infrastructure, and why would someone invest into things that they already have? And secondly, China also has a very big lithium mines. China comes in 6th in the terms of biggest lithium mines in the world. Now let's see the consequences. As I said, these cars will be completely built up in China and will be imported in ready condition, and on these types of products the import duty is more than 100 to 120%. What can be done if you want an electric car at a cheaper price? Don't worry, many Indian startups are working to solve this issue and making affordable electric cars. I have made a video on a good electronic SUV which you can see on the iCard above. These cars are definitely cheap and also might improve their services like adding more charging stations in the future. Now let's see, are electric cars actually good for the environment, or is it just a trend for some time? I would not agree if someone would say electric cars are 100% green because they need lithium to make batteries, and this process causes a lot of pollution. But they are much better than petrol or diesel cars. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please don't forget subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.